How to download and install Netflix on desktop. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to download and install Netflix on your desktop, you want to open the default store on your PC. If you're on Windows, that is Microsoft Store, so go ahead and open it. You can also open it on a web browser. Now click on the search bar and search for Netflix. Out of the search results, this is the one that you want to select. Now, you will find the download option. Go ahead and click on that. Once the downloading has been completed, double-click on it and follow the on-screen prompts in order to install Netflix. Once Netflix has been installed on your desktop, you will find the Netflix icon over here. Double-click on it to open up Netflix. You can then log into your account and start using Netflix on your desktop, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.